Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the 9 best courses and certifications to start your career in financial modeling. Before we begin, first we will discuss what is financial modeling, and then, the roles and responsibilities of a financial modeling professional. So, let's understand, what is financial modeling? A financial model is simply a tool that's built in spreadsheet software such as MS Excel to forecast a business financial performance into the future. The forecast is typically based on the company's historical performance, assumptions about the future, and requires preparing an income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and supporting schedules. Some of the roles and responsibilities of a financial modeling professional are: perform valuation of a security, discover new market opportunities, keep a check on investment needs, forecast future raw material requirements, identifying the key financial and non-financial risks, valuation of companies, capital structure analysis. So, let's get started with the best courses and certifications. First is Certified Financial Modeling Professional by Vskills. Vskills is India's largest certification body. It provides government certification and is valid for a lifetime. This course includes 13 learning hours. This program tests your knowledge as per the organization's requirement for building financial models for analyzing firms, IPOs and FPOs. The concepts covered in this course are: financial modeling basics, financial ratios, components of balance sheet, using Excel for financial modeling, and more. Second is Business and Financial Modeling Specialization by Coursera. This course will introduce you to spreadsheet models, modeling methods, as well as common applications for investment analysis, forecasting, company valuation, and more. The duration of the course is 6 months. The concepts covered in this course are: fundamentals of quantitative modeling, introduction to spreadsheets and models, modeling risk and realities, decision making, and more. Third is Financial Modeling, build a complete DCF valuation model by Udemy. This course will enable you to build a cash flow statement, know the way to value a company, able to create a valuation model from scratch as well as a model with multiple scenarios. The duration of the course is 1.5 hours. The concepts covered in this course are: introduction to company valuation, technical tools you need when valuing a company, learn how to build a discounted cash flow model in Excel introduction, and more. Fourth is Financial Modeling Certification Course by Harvin Education. Its globally recognized curriculum, comprised of 6 essential modules with industry-related case studies, will help you gain expertise in the mechanics of financial reporting. The duration of the course is 40 hours. The concepts covered in this course are: MS Excel tips, financial statement and ratios analysis, financial management and corporate finance, project finance modeling, and more. Fifth is Financial Modeling in Spreadsheets by Datacamp. This course provides you with basic knowledge of business modeling with an emphasis on cash flows, annuities, investments, loan amortization, as well as saving for retirement. The duration of the course is 4 hours. The concepts covered in this course are: what are models, time value money models, planning and investing models, probabilistic models, and more. Sixth is Certificate in Financial Modeling and Valuation by EY. This course consists of learnings through demonstrations and examples that are further augmented by an overall case study. By doing this course, the participants will be able to develop well-structured, strong, and dynamic financial models for performing an independent business valuation. The concepts covered in this course are: structuring and designing models, sector-specific working of revenue and expense, tax calculation, integrating financial statements to present a cohesive output, and more. Seventh is Financial Modeling Course by Proschool. This course helps you acquire skills required to become a successful investor, financial modeling analyst, or help your startup raise funds. This course is helpful for fresh graduates, postgraduates, working professionals, MBA aspirants, investors as well as entrepreneurs. The concepts covered in this course are: Excel proficiency, financial reporting and analysis, corporate finance, project finance modeling, and more. Eighth is Become a Certified Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst with CFI. This course will teach you to create, visualize and present flexible, clear, and structured financial models along with critical hard skills necessary to build financial models from scratch efficiently. The concepts covered in this course are: Accounting Fundamentals. Reading Financial Statements. Introduction to Corporate Finance. Math for Corporate Finance, and more. Ninth is Corporate Finance, Robust Financial Modeling by LinkedIn Learning. In this course, you get to learn about financial modeling tools and the significance of soft skills. You will learn how to present a model to stakeholders and the way to demonstrate flexibility through a situation analysis. The concepts covered in this course are: understanding financial modeling, how to design a financial model, how to build a robust financial model, quality assurance, and more. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.